You can now buy things without ever leaving a chat window. No website, no app, just a conversation with ChatGPT. Salesforce just turned that into reality, and it changes what Commerce Cloud even means. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things: how AI agents are now selling products inside ChatGPT, the real numbers behind this, not hype, actual Salesforce data, and exactly which Commerce Cloud skill is suddenly worth learning. If you want more videos that cut through the noise on Salesforce news, subscribe before we start. Why this matters? This is not a future idea, it is live right now, and if you work with Commerce Cloud or want to, this is one of the biggest shifts in online shopping in years. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where the opportunity is, what actually changed. Here is what Salesforce just launched. Retailers can now connect their product catalog straight into ChatGPT. That means a shopper can ask ChatGPT a question and buy the product without ever opening a website. This works through something called the Agentic Commerce Protocol. Think of it as the connection that lets ChatGPT see a store's product and let people buy them on the spot. Stripe handles the actual payment in the background, and Google has its own version too. It is called the Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. It lets AI agents make secure payments across different platforms. This is not a small update. This is Salesforce rebuilding what checkout even means. This is already working. Now, here is the part that should get your attention. This is not just an idea. Real companies are already seeing real results. Pandora, the jewelry brand, Shark Ninja, Funko, all Salesforce customers, all running their own AI shopper agents right now, and the results are public. Retailers running their own AI shopper agent grew sales 59% faster than retailers who have not adopted this yet. In real numbers, 6.2% sales growth compared to 3.9% for everyone else. Here is another one. Traffic that comes from AI referrals converts about 8 times higher than traffic from social media. That is not a small gap. That is the difference between a side project and a real sales channel. The bigger picture. Now, this goes even further than individual stores. During the 2025 holiday season, AI already influenced 20% of all global online sales. In dollars, that is $262 billion, tracked by Salesforce based on over 1.5 billion shoppers, and traffic specifically from AI assistants jumped 119% in just the first half of 2025. So this is not a small trend anymore. It already moved hundreds of billions of dollars. If news like this is making you rethink your next move in Salesforce, I do offer one-on-one career consultations. We look at exactly where you are and build a real plan from there. The link is in the description. And before we go further, I also publish new Salesforce video twice a week, so please subscribe if you do not want to miss the next video. What Salesforce predicts is coming next. Now, Salesforce also made a prediction, not a result yet, a prediction. They expect AI agents to handle around 21% of all global orders during Cyber Week this year. We do not know yet if that number will be exactly right, but even if it is close, that is a massive shift in just a few months, and this rollout is happening in stages. Guided shopping through AI agents is live right now. Bigger features like order routing and point of sale actions are coming through winter and spring of 2026. What this actually means for your career right now. So here is what this means for you. If you work in Commerce Cloud or you are trying to get into it, this is your signal. The companies winning right now are not the ones waiting to see what happens. They are the ones who already plugged their catalog into these AI agents. That means the skill that is suddenly valuable is knowing how to set up and manage AI shopping agents inside Commerce Cloud. Not just the old skill of building a storefront, the new skill is connecting that storefront to AI. Learn this now while most people are still calling it just a chatbot trend. Let's bring this all together. Salesforce made it possible to buy things directly inside ChatGPT. Companies already using this are growing sales 59% faster, with AI traffic converting 8 times higher, and AI already influenced $262 billion in sales last holiday season alone. If you work in Commerce Cloud, this is the moment to learn the AI agent side of it. If this video helped you see where Commerce Cloud is heading, hit subscribe. New Salesforce videos come up every Wednesday and Friday. Drop a comment. Would you trust an AI agent to buy something for you inside a chat? I want to know. And if you want to build this exact skill tutorial, my self-paced Salesforce courses are at MyTutorialRack. Link is in the description, and I'll see you inside the course. Thank you.